Let us write a program to take a day number and display day name. Variable I will take, and here I will say cout enter day number, then scene day. I am reading the value in this variable. Now if day number is 1, I will say Monday, or 2 Tuesday, so on. So let us write if day is equals to 1, then cout Monday and L. Else, now again I have to write down the condition. So what I'll do is I'll copy this and paste it here. This is for second day, that is Tuesday. I'll copy this entire thing. I'll paste here. This is for Wednesday. Third day, then it is Wednesday. Fourth day, that is Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. Sixth is Saturday. And finally, seventh day is Sunday. Else cout invalid day number. So here is a code for taking a day number and displaying day name. Let me run this program. Enter day number. I'll say day is 4. So I got the result as Thursday. I'll run it again. Enter day number. So I'll enter day as 7. So I got Sunday. Here is Sunday. Now run it again. Enter day number as 10. So I got a message that is invalid day. It's working. Now one interesting thing I will show you. I'll put a breakpoint on line number 9 so that it will run up to line number 8. Then it will start debugging from line 9. So I'll put a breakpoint. Run. Now here is asking day number. I'll give the day number as a 7, that is for Sunday. Let us check what happens. See, it has stopped at line number 9 where day is 1. Now if I press F7, then it will jump on to if else. See, it has came into this line and checking whether day is 2. Then checking day is 3 here in this line. Then F7, it is checking here in this line, that is day 4. Goes on. So it's checking all the conditions. Then next is 5 and then 6. Then 7, Sunday, then it comes out. See, it has checked all the conditions to reach 7. So this code is little time consuming because for reaching 7th day, it has to check all days from 1 to 7. This type of code is called as else if ladder. Now instead of using else if ladder, we have a better syntax in C++, that is switch case. We can go for switch case. So you can try this program by yourself. Type the program and run and see. I suggest you to make use of debugger